let's check out the Neporal 9-watt amber light bulbs here that come with a remote. They have a lot of features here. I absolutely love these. They are tricolor light. You have the white light, the neutral light, and the warm light. You can adjust the dimming of it. You can go up and down with how you want to dim it. And it does come with a charger, so you don't need to plug into anything. The charger has a USB-C on one side and a USB on the other side. And then it has a little screw-on thingy where you can hang it. So what I do is grab the command and hang it on the wall, and then I can hang it right there. So you can dim them at 50% and 100%. These are the preset. And then you can adjust the plus and minus to the light that you do want. It also has a timer on there, so you can adjust the time that you want them on and when you want them turned off. These are great in the closet, in your laundry room. These are great in the garage, any place where you need extra light or you need light that you can control and turn off by remote rather than having to go up there and turn it off. For instance, if it's in the closet or it's someplace in your bedroom and you get in bed, you don't have to get up and turn it on. You can just turn it on and turn it off right there from your bed. Or if it's in the bathroom, or if you get up in the middle of the night and you need a little extra light, the remote is right there next to you, so you're not fumbling through. So I have it in my closet, and my husband wants one actually in the garage. We need one in the laundry room also. That would be great at the time when we're working on there. These are incredible light bulbs. Love them.